Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Jaggis Academy. In today's lecture, I will discuss about some of the homeopathic medicines which we can use for the management of very commonly problems like cough and cold. You know, cough and cold, these are mild problems, but if they are not treated, they become very severe and very irritating. So let's start. The first drug that I want to discuss with you is the Aviare. This is the most important drug in the management of the cough and cold. It is actually a nosode. If you go and study homeopathy in the detail, they are actually different categories. They are classified differently. I'm just discussing it is basic. It belongs to the category of the nosode. And as I told, it is the excellent remedy if you want to treat the cough and cold. Particularly, it is very effective if you give this drug in the initial stages, very initial stages. If you see the person starts cough and cold, immediately give the Aviare and you will see the disease will not progress. But not only in the acute, but if you see the person has cough and cold even for 4 or 5 days, even then you can go for this Aviare. But I suggest give in the initial stages, in the very first stage. And the doses, you can start with the 30C. If you are taking a liquid Aviare, then you can use 2 to 3 drops in this small amount of water, depending upon the severity of the disease. If it is mild, you can give for the 2 days, but if you see it is moderate to severe condition, you can give for 3 to 4 days. And depending upon the condition, you can give for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or even for 1 day even. Depending upon the stage, if you see the symptoms are not there, then you can reduce or you can stop the Aviare therapy. Second drug, infliximab. This is again classified in the category of the nosode. Again a very important drug. Again, what I want to emphasize is that very effective in the acute cases. That means when the disease has started. Initial stage is very effective, and if you give in the initial stages, it will reduce the progression of the disease. Again, you can give in the 30C potency. If it is liquid, give 2 to 3 drops 3 to 4 times a day. So what you can do is that if you want to give, you can give the combination of these two, Aviare and infliximab. The combination of both will reduce the progression of the disease, and you will within 2 days or 3 days you will see the person has recovered, even without the use of any other drug. Now, Sabedila. This is very effective if you are having a cold of almost any type. Not for cough, I am not telling for cough, but it is very effective for a cold condition, Sabedila. More suitable for the cold than the cough, and it can be given in the 30C potency or 200C, 3 to 4 times a day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day, depending on the severity. This drug, this is a Indian herb, Justicia. It is very effective for almost any kind of the cough remedy actually. And rather than the cold, it is more specific for the cough. Doses you can use in 2 forms. You can use in the form of the tincture. When you will take the tincture, it will be a Q which is written, capital Q will be written. Then you can use the 10 drops of the tincture in a small amount of water 3 times a day, or you can use the 30 potency. For that 30 potency, you have to use the 2 drops. Now you have to remember this and distinguish. Tincture is used in the 10 drop form. The 30C potency, 200C potency, you have to use in the 2 to 3 drops, not more than that one, 3 times a day. So now the previous 4 drugs that I discussed, Aviare, infliximab, Sabedila and Justicia, these are in general. When you are not going for a specific symptom, that this kind of a symptom matching we are not doing. But I will discuss some few drugs which are specific. If you see certain these conditions are there, then you give those drugs. Like I will discuss sanguinaria. Let's say the winter season has started. And because of this winter season, you see the cold start. If this is the condition you see, then give sanguinaria. 30C and 200 potency. Very effective in reducing the progression of a disease in the beginning of the winter stage. Again, I am saying in the beginning of the winter season. Second thing is the aconite. Now this happens, this Aconite is very effective. It is an acute stage and the person is exposed to the cold air, cold dry air particularly, not cold wet, not hot but cold dry air, sudden onset. Let's say person will say I was very okay, but out of a sudden I have got a cold. Then you give Aconite. But don't give if the cold is relatively older. That means after 2 or 3 days, this Aconite is not that effective. Effective only in the initial stages. Then Dulcamara, very effective drug. If there is a cold and cough and the fever in the rainy season, let's say person has gone outside and there is a wetting because of the rain, and person tells these symptoms, then Dulcamara is effective. Or person is living in a humid condition, okay, humidity, then Dulcamara is effective. Same Dulcamara, or you can use the Rustox. Same thing, like Dulcamara, the fever, cough or the cold appears due to the damp season or because of the wetting, then you can use the Rustox. So this is what I wanted to discuss with these few medicines for the management of cough and cold. In the upcoming video, I will discuss the medicines which we can use for the management of the headache. Thank you.